Hello friends, welcome back to Mithun Diaries. Today's video is very special because I am sharing one of the real incidents that happened in my own house. Power problems that looked big but were actually very simple fixes. Many of you have asked me for real world troubleshooting videos, and today's topics are exactly that. So sit back for the next few minutes as we go through. The issue was power outage was only in my house. This vlog is gonna be step-by-step troubleshooting along with a few cost-saving tips and my personal recommendations based on real-time experience. Let's get started. The issue that I noticed was there was a power outage only in my house. So last week, suddenly the power in my house went off. I looked outside, all the street lights were working, neighbors had power, everything outside was normal, but only my house was completely dark. First reaction, oh no, what happened? Is it a wiring issue? Is some appliance shorted? Did I forget to pay the bill? So let's go step by step. First step is gonna be to check the electricity bill. When you have this issue, first thing you need to do is do not panic. The simple check you're gonna do is to check the electricity bill is paid. Many times, due to UPI failures, network issues, delayed payments, electricity board might disconnect only your house. I cross-verified again and verified the bill was paid. No due messages, no SMS received from Bescom or the relevant electricity board. Example, Escom, Mescom, Gescom or Sescom in Karnataka or any other state providers. Online portal showed payment is successful, so billing was 100% fine. Next step I had to do was to check the main switch and the MCB. Next, I opened the main power panel and there I noticed something. The MCB was turned off. So MCB stands for miniature circuit breaker, a few people also called main circuit breaker. So here switches will get off when it detects overload, short circuit, sudden surge, faulty appliance, loose wiring, lightning spike. But in my case it was off for no obvious reason. I turned it on and boom, entire house got power back. So the old issue was just an MCB trip. The other things you would need to consider is checking the fuse in your house, because if the fuse is weak or burnt, the MCB may keep tripping, power may be unstable, some appliances may not get energy. So in my case fuse was healthy, so I moved to the next check. If you have UPS or inverter in your home, it's worth checking the inverter or UPS status. The UPS setup is gonna be this way. The main power will be connected to inverter or UPS, and from there it goes to different switches, and from there it goes to the appliances. Just in case if the inverter fails, some rooms may have power, some may not. Fans may work, lights may not. So the final cause, a simple MCB trip, no billing issue, no fuse issue, no wiring issue. So here goes the moral of the story. Instead of worrying, start checking from basics. Most power issues have simple fixes. Sometimes the problem looks very big, but the solution is very small. And many technicians or electricians may even misguide you. Sir, inverter is gone. Sir, fuse is gone. But here, simple steps saved a lot of money. So friends, this was one of the real life troubleshooting stories from my home. I hope this video helps you understand how to troubleshoot power issues, basic electrical safety, and how to avoid spending unnecessarily in the form of service charges for the technician or the site visit. If you like this detailed guide, please like, share and subscribe to Mithun Diaries. See you in another helpful video. Take care, stay safe and always stay curious.